Hampton 375DBL. This is a park model or destination trailer. Basically, it's made to put at a permanent spot or a campground, you know, that you have with your friends. Or I've even got a lot of customers that'll stay in these while they're building a house, you know, out at their property and everything else. So one thing you'll notice is how tall they are. They're very tall. They've got a lot of room. When we get on the inside, you'll really see the benefit of having the taller ceilings and overall height. Let's just start in the front. You'll notice they got a really nice front end. You got the big windows up front. This particular model is going to have the master bedroom up front on the unit. This is a full fiberglass unit. As we come around to this side, you'll have full storage here. Does have a nice magnet, so you don't have to worry about a plastic clip. Storage underneath here. That's on the back side of the bed. They've got a nicer spigot so you can utilize for the water. You've got your water heater, your city water intake, black tank flush, and then your freshwater connection, and then also you get the backside of your furnace there as well. We'll keep moving back. This particular model has 3 slides. This is going to be 1 slide here. This is going to be a rear living in the back, okay, with the front living, and I'll also show you a couple other things. Keep on moving back here. Again, you'll see that a lot of people ask, does this come on the unit? No, it doesn't come on the unit. We just use it for our videos, but our website is www.rvwholesalers.com. Give us a call. You can reach me directly at 937-843-4380. I can go over any questions you have. Let's go ahead and keep on moving here. This will be the 3rd slide here. You notice they got nice big windows. It does have a nice power awning. It has the extreme weather package, which gives you upgraded insulation, an upgraded bigger furnace, and it does have the heated and enclosed underbelly. They do a industry 3-year structure warranty, limited structure warranty on the units too, so they're backing their product on those side of things as well. Nice patio door here, outside speakers, power awning with the LED light, and then it's a double entry. So this entry is for your front bedroom, and this will go into basically your hallway that goes to your bathroom, or you can go to either direction here. So let's come on in. Show them the coolest part about the unit. Okay, so we'll start back in the living room. One thing you'll notice right off rip is how nice it looks. Residential, modern looking. They do a nice job as far as with their countertops, with the like the grays in the wood. They're all the stainless steel. I mean, the thing looks like a house. They do use the nicer furniture as well by Thomas Payne, and then this has. If you come over here, let me show them this real quick. This has heat, massage, light, and then a power recline as well. So that's something's cool. See the lights that light up? You have lights underneath. You have lights over here as well. So lights up your cup holders, lights up your down below, and then this is like a nicer vinyl material as well. It's a lot like something that you'd find in your house. They use nicer wood blinds with a residential type of curtains over top. This is a trifold sofa, so it will come out to a double bed. So you got a ceiling fan up top. You got your main air. I believe you have a second air up front. More big windows coming through. TV's pretty cool how this works. So when you're not utilizing it, so that comes up, and then when you're not utilizing it, it can go down below. So you just push the button here. Runs that down. You have another window so you still can see out if you don't want to use the TV. Fireplace, and then you also have a nice sound bar here as well. But that just gives you extra counter space and everything else too if you're not utilizing the television at the point of time. You'll notice on the stove, this is an actual residential stove that sits on the ground. So a lot bigger oven, a lot like a house, and then it has 4 gas burners. Again, like this is a residential stove, so you know, it's not something really small like you're going to see on a traditional RV. One thing they do is really cool. They use these nicer stainless steel, but look how deep this sink is. They're one of the only ones that really have that deep. I mean, it goes all the way down in, so you can get bigger pots and pans. It does have the pull-out sprayer, so you can spray things off and then put it right back down, hot and cold. It just makes everything look like your home. And like I said, a lot of times this is going to be a lot of people's home as well. So, and that just gives you more cutting space and everything too. Look how big this pantry is too. So I finish it off real nice. It has a nice pantry. And then the fridge is actually bigger than my house fridge. So it's a big residential, and you got 2 drawers down below. So, you know, for vegetables, cold meat, everything else. And then you got your bottom freezer and everything down below as well. So nicer extra storage up top there. And as we come back, we'll go back to the back here. I'll start right here with your central location. So this is where all your slide outs, all your fills, all your lights, switches, everything's pretty much all right centrally located, which is really nice as well. Coming in here, look how cool this bathroom. Look like how awesome they do on that basically backsplash on the shower. And that's a big shower too. So got plenty of space, plenty of cabinet space in there as well. And as we keep moving them, this is one of the cool spots. So actually, let's just step back just a little bit. I want to show them real quick up top. So when we go to the loft area, look up top here. So where I'm going to show you, this is a loft model. So you're going to have 1 bed here and then 2 on the other side too. So I just want to see on this side of the bed you can actually see out to the living room, which is pretty cool for kids and grandkids and everything. And then you'll have 2 other beds on the other side. So sorry, I wanted to back him up just to show, you know, how nice that was. And there's not enough room to get all the way up there, so go ahead and go up there and show them both sides there. Yep. So that's something really nice about this particular model is, you know, now you don't lose all your space, living space, to have, you know, extra spots for grandkids and kids to sleep. King bed, okay, nicer residential. It does have fold up. And then this is separated, so when I showed you the storage on the outside, you notice you can't see the outside, so it is separated off, so you got a ton of storage here. I mean, this is one of the biggest storage I see underneath the bed, and then they finish it off nice too. So that's a king bed. You've got nice windows up front. Okay, 3 of them to see out. You've got nice end stand here. All your cabinets throughout here. And then if you want to swing over here, I'll show them the closet. And this does have washer and dryer. So you've got a full hanging closet, and then you've got washer and dryer inside here. So you can do, you know, your washer and dryer setup too if you wanted to have that. I mean, this is what I call basically your home away from home. I've got a lot of customers that, you know, they'll live they live up here during the summer in Ohio where we're located, and then, you know, they'll go down south to get out of the heat, so, or get out of the cold in the winters and everything through the winter, and then they just bounce between the 2 places, and they'll put something down, you know, down in Arizona, Florida, Texas, wherever, you know, out of the cold weather, and then you know, just travel back and forth, and it's a very convenient way of doing it.